Welcome everyone to another session of HTML with Libra Computers, where learning is fun. Today, we will learn about table tags in HTML. We will see all the tags involved while designing a table. First, let us define a table tag. In HTML, table tag allows you to design a table, as said in the name itself. Table consists of multiple cells, which is formed by the combination of rows and columns. Tags that are used in designing a table are opening and closing tag of table, which marks the start of the table. Opening and closing tag of TR, which stands for table row, and marks the start of a row. Closing tag tells where a row ends. Opening and closing tag of TH, which stands for table heading, and gives a special formatting to the content given inside it. Opening and closing tag of TD, which stands for table data, that allows you to specify the data that is to be given inside the cell. Let us see the use of these tags. Open Notepad++ or any software that allows you to type the HTML code. Inside the body tag, we start with table tag. As said before, table tag marks the start of the table. Now, let us design this table using HTML tags. Here is how we go about it. Start the row with TR tag. Inside this tag, whatever is to be displayed within one row must be written. Closing of this tag marks the end of the row. Start again with another TR tag for the next row. In this table we have 3 columns and 5 rows. To mention the field names here, which are serial number, student name and marks, we make use of table heading tag. Specify the field names inside the opening and closing of table heading tags. Check the output. Here, the field names will be displayed to you, without any formatting. Enter the contents to be displayed inside the table data tag, as shown here. I will type down the serial number, name and marks for each row. When you check the output, you will see that there are no formatting to tell you where the cell starts and where it ends. This can be done with CSS using style attribute. Let us specify the border for the entire table and the individual cell. This is what you see when the border is given to the entire table. Specify CSS inside each of the opening tag of TH and TD. This will allow you to apply border to each cell. Let me arrange the code properly, so that you can understand what is done here. So, this gives the border to the individual cells of the table. We will stop today's session here and meet again in the next video with more attributes of the tag. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.